Hello friends, this is Kainat from Alamkul and we are going to study today the reflection of light from the chapter Light of class 10 physics. Okay, so this is the lecture 1 that we are going to study. We are going to study the introduction of this chapter, okay, of whether what is reflection of light, why we are studying reflection of light and what important role that is the reflection of light play in helping us to see the objects. Okay, actually what first question is, what is light here? Light is the form of energy. It is nothing but form of energy that enables us to see any objects. Okay, if there will be no light, then we cannot able to see any objects. Suppose in a dark room you are sitting and there is no any source of light that is coming into this into the room, then you are not able to see any objects. Why? Because there is no any light. Now you will answer, now you will question me that but in the in the dark sky we are able to see the stars. Yes, we are able to see the stars. Why? Now the question arises, why? And I'll tell you that why we are able to see the stars in the dark sky. Okay, now see, as already I have told you that we are going to study the reflection of light. So there is light and also the part of, and also the second part is reflection. So we will study reflection also. So first part is the light that helps to see in it, that helps to see the objects, right? First part is the light, but another part is also the reflection. What is it? It's reflection. If reflection would not be there, then also we cannot able to see the objects. Okay, so reflection or must be there. So we are able to see the stars in the dark sky. Why? Because it reflects the light that comes from the sun. It reflects the light that comes from the sun to our eyes. Okay, whatever light falls into the falls to the this star from the sun, it reflects the light, it reflects the light and send it to our eyes. Okay, due to which we are able to see the stars, but we are unable to see the planets, right? There are also meteors and meteoroids, lots of celestial body that are there in the sky, but we are unable to see them. Why? Because they does not reflect the light that comes from the sun to them, right? So there are two things that plays very crucial part in helping us to see the objects. Okay, now we'll see key what here is written. Okay, we'll just read it out. Light is a form of energy that enables us to see. An object reflects the light rays that fall into that fall on it, right? So what does the object do? Object reflects the light. It reflects the light that falls into it. So these reflected light rays, when received by our eyes, make the object visible to us. Okay, when received by our eyes, when our eye receives the reflected rays, the reflected light rays, then only we are able to see the object. It helps to make the object visible to us. Okay, we are able to see through a transparent medium as light is transmitted through it. Now what about transparent medium? Transparent medium, we can see the whole thing, means the in on the other part of the transparent medium also, because light is transmitted through it, right? Light gets transmitted through it. It does not reflect. If it would reflect, then we would able to see the that medium, right? That medium, that transparent medium, but it's transparent. The light gets transmitted through it. Light, whatever light falls into it, it gets transmitted. It does not reflect. Okay, and this is why we are able to see the next objects from the through the transparent medium. Okay, we are able to see through the transparent medium. The speed of light in vacuum, you are already must be knowing that what is the speed of light in vacuum or air. So that is 3 to 10 power 8 meter per second. Okay, this is the fastest speed that has been ever known on this earth. So light travels in a straight line, and light always travels in a straight line. Don't draw it like this, ki light travels like this. No, it does not travel like this. It travels like this. Okay, light travels in a straight line, not like this, not like this. Okay, so this was about the reflection of light. Fine. Now here, reflection of light also, We'll just see an example that how a light gets reflected through a plane mirror. This is a plane mirror. Okay, this is a plane mirror. So this is a plane mirror, and the light, there is a there is a tree. Never mind, my tree has got some different colors. So the incident light that falls on the that incident light that falls on the what plane mirror. See, this ray is the normal. This ray is the normal. Why? This ray is the normal because it's making 90-degree with the mirror. Okay, so this ray will be considered as normal. So the normal ray would reflect as it is, means bounce back just following the same path. Okay, so this is the way that we are going to draw with the dotted line, because the object that the image that we get through a plane mirror is always virtual because it's erect. Okay, because it's erect. Okay, fine. Now the incident ray, another ray making some angle of incidence, making some angle of incidence with the plane mirror, and then reflects, right? And then reflects. You don't forget to draw an arrow. Okay, don't forget to draw an arrow. So it reflect in the inside the, see, making the same angle with the this principal axis. Okay, making the same angle with the principal axis. So it will be like key, this is your angle of reflection. Angle of incidence will always be equal to angle of reflection, that we will study in the next topic. Okay, so this is making an angle of reflection, and we will meet these lines, we will join these two lines, and wherever it will meet, we will form a, we will draw a object image. Okay, this is the image that is here of this object, the tree, the head of the tree, and the what, and the tail of the tree, okay. So this image is erect, and whatever whenever we will get an erect image, is always we will obtain virtual image. Okay, whatever whenever we will get erect image is always virtual image is always erect, and real is always inverted. So vary is very important. Virtual, erect, real, inverted. Okay, so here we will see way means virtual and erect. Okay, so the image is erect, so the image will be found that is virtual. It cannot be taken on the screen. Okay, so this is for the, this is what we are going this is what we have done in this lecture. So this was just the introduction of this chapter. Okay, and then in the next we will study the laws of reflection. Okay, there are two laws that we will study in the next class. Okay, bye bye, tata, and keep on subscribing the channel, and don't forget to like and hit the like button. Thank you.